Hey, let me show you unboxing and an overview of all features that you can find on the Xiaomi Sound Outdoor speaker. So first of all, when you take a look on the box, you can find information about the how powerful is this device. So we got 30 watts, the high quality sound, we got true wireless stereo. What does it mean? That we can connect this speaker with another Xiaomi Sound Outdoor speaker. 20 hours of playtime for single charge, IP67 waterproof and dust resistant. There's also the microphone, and if you wonder about the Bluetooth version, we can find here Bluetooth 5.4. Now let's go inside and we'll check how the device looks. So first of all, we've got here the user manual. It comes covered with this foil. And this is how the speaker looks. Right here we've got this multi stereo pairing button, Bluetooth button, the power button. Right here there is port USB-C, some kind of the marking here. It's made out of the rubber, volume buttons and the play button, Xiaomi logo, silicone stands, designed by Xiaomi, and right here that's actually USB-C into the USB-A cable. So now I'm gonna connect this into my phone. Okay, so that will be all. That's how the speakers sound, that's how this bass sound, and thanks for watching.